What is FleetFocus? What a great question.
FleetFocus is the fleet management software, the premier fleet management software.
A complete end-to-end lifecycle management for anybody that is operating fleets of vehicles. Work management, posting labor, commercial, usage, all of that into one software solution with many peripherals added on to the end. Fuel management, hardware solutions. We have our telematics solution. We have our capital asset management solution. From inception of a need of an asset to the disposition and the life cycle of that asset.
We can expand it, to meet the biggest fleet, and we can, minimize it to meet the smallest fleet and still give them the same end result.
Access to data is key. To be able to have access to that and leverage that data through KPIs and gauges, graphs, charts directly within the systems, access the information wherever you are in the world when you need it. It's very powerful.